Welcome to Chillbox, guys. Today we are going to see a review of an app. It's nothing but a yoga app for beginners. It's a free app. First of all, let me tell you, in Play Store we get a lot of apps for reducing fat, workouts, weight loss apps, and all the yoga apps. So you can see it in the screen, which will be available for you for free. So among this, I'm choosing a yoga app just to show how it works. So our app is basically for beginners as well as for advanced people. So this is the app, Yoga for Beginners. So once you start the app, there'll be a start button. You have to press the start button, and then there will be 3 categories. Okay, in between you'll find ads, don't mind it. So once you press the start button, you'll directly go to a page where you'll see set the preferable exercise time. So if you're exercising in the morning, you can put that, or in the evening, you can put that and set it. So you'll get a notification according to the time. And that's it. So I put 5 p.m. because I do it usually at that time. So beginners yoga, advanced yoga, weight loss yoga, 3 types are there under training, which is seen at the bottom. Then again, there are mudras. So in yoga, mudras are very important. How you keep the hands, the fingers. So you can read about it, as well as there'll be audio reading out it to you. And you can study about it. Then there are tips. So you can watch the videos and get the healthy tips. Then there are languages. So you can choose the language which you want to listen to. Audio will be provided in that particular language. So for an example, I've selected the beginners yoga, and you can see day 1, day 2, day 3. After every 3 days, there's a day for resting. So I think this for 30 days a month. There are namaskaras and everything, the small beginner exercises, rather yoga steps for you to follow. And there'll be time, how long you have to perform the particular step or the particular yoga step, namaskaras, whatever. So this will be for 30 seconds as an example. So you have to continue in the same position for 30 seconds. Similarly, there will be different other namaskaras or other steps of yoga which will be there for you along with the timer, so that you don't have to worry about the time. You don't have to look into the clocks. You just need your phone and this app. So for beginners, it's always cool to start with the beginners yoga, and there'll be very easy steps for you to follow. And even the speed of doing it, the timing, everything will be set according to your level, which you're capable of. So you don't have to worry about it. And this is the whole app. In between, you will have ads, and I think that you can manage. So this is basically very good for you, since we are all sitting home since a long time due to corona. So enjoy, guys, and I'm signing off. Bye.